Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Nikunj, your physics teacher from QNI, and I welcome you all to the QNI class. How are you? Hello everyone. Good afternoon, Jovin. Good afternoon. So, we are studying the first chapter of class 10th of physics, which is light. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Okay,
Good afternoon, sir.
okay. So, mainly today we are discussing about mirror formula. Okay, now before starting the lecture, what are the prerequisites? So, first one is concave mirror. Okay, we already discussed about concave mirror, yes or no? Rules for making ray diagram, okay? And for various objects placed where image is formed, we've already seen that, okay? Similarly for convex mirror, okay? And about ray diagram. So these are the prerequisites for today's lecture, okay? And if we talk about the weightage, so from this chapter, approximately 10 marks question asked in boards, okay? So this chapter is very important, okay? And easy one, yes or no? Now, what we're going to study today? First, we will see about sign convention, then mirror formula, then we studied about magnification, and then we will solve some questions also. Okay? Yes or no? Now, before starting the lecture, that is sign convention for reflection by spherical mirrors, let me give a quick recap. So, tell me basically there are four rules. Yes or no? First, if rays are parallel to principal axis, so after reflection from the mirror, it will pass through. Tell me. If incident rays are parallel to the focus, very good. And if rays are incident at focus, then after reflection it will pass through. Tell me, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Yes or no? And if rays are incident at center of curvature, then it will retrace path. Okay. And if rays are incident at pole, making an angle, let's say I. So after reflection, it will reflect through same angle from the pole. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, today we will see the sign convention for reflection by spherical mirrors. So, the first one is the object is always placed to the left of the mirror. Where? To the left of the mirror. Okay, suppose this is your concave mirror. Okay, this is your principal axis. This is your pole. This is focus and this is center of curvature. So, object is placed always towards left. Okay, always towards left of the mirror. This is concave. Similarly, if this is convex mirror, okay, so object is placed always towards left. Yes or no? Is first point clear to you? Any doubt in this? Anyone? Any doubt? Okay. Now, if we talk about the second point, so all distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. Okay, so we measure image distance, object distance, or radius of curvature with respect to the pole. Okay, now third is all the distances measured to the right of the origin along positive x-axis are taken as positive. That means towards positive x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So this is towards right side, that is toward positive. If object is here, if image formed is here, so we take values as positive. Otherwise, if there are measured to the left of the origin, that is along negative x-axis, then they are taken as negative. So if object is placed towards left side, so we take u as negative, or if image formed towards the left side, we take v as negative. Okay, is this clear? Any doubt in these 3 points? Anyone, any doubt in these 3 points? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Tell me, anyone, any doubt? You can thumbs up,
No,
you can
sir.
say yes or no. Okay, now the next point, distances measured perpendicular to and above the principal axis are taken as positive and distances measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis are taken as negative. So these are the sign convention we followed for solving the problem or analyzing any problem. Okay. Okay. So see this diagram. Suppose we have a mirror. Okay. So objects are placed towards the left. Okay. Objects are placed towards the left of the mirror. Object on the left. Okay. Now this is your negative x-axis, and here this is your positive x-axis. This is perpendicular distance from the mirror. Okay. That is towards positive y-axis, and this is towards negative y-axis. Okay. So towards positive x-axis, we take value as positive. Similarly, in upward direction, we take value as positive. Towards left side, we take value negative, or downward side, we take value as negative. Okay, is this clear? Yes or no? For concave mirror, for convex mirror, is this clear? Sign convention?
Yes,
Okay.
sir, clear.
Okay, now we talk about mirror formula. So V, U and F. What is the relation between V, U and F? That 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Okay, so this is our mirror formula. That is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F, where V is the image distance, U is the object distance, and F is the focal length. And this all are measured with respect to the pole. Okay, U, V, and all are measured with respect to the pole. Okay. Now, if we talk about the magnification, so magnification is nothing but the size of image upon size of object. Okay, which is equals to S2 by H1, or this is equals to minus of V by U. Now, V is image distance and U is object distance. Okay, so remember image upon object. Okay, size of image upon size of object, and this is image distance and U is object distance. Okay, so we use these two formulas, that is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. And the second one is magnification. Basically, magnification tells us that image is enlarged, inverted, okay, it is diminished or erect. Okay, so we get this information from the magnification, which is nothing but the height of image upon height of object. Okay, is this clear? We will solve some
Yes, sir.
problems based on these formulas for the better clarity. Okay, so problem based on the formula, which one? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Now, always remember that U is always negative. Why? As we discussed, that object is placed always towards the left side. Okay, this is your concave mirror. Okay, now object is placed towards left side. Now this is our right side, that is positive x-axis, but with respect to the pole, object is placed towards left side, so we always take U as negative. Okay, similarly for concave mirror, this is our x-axis. Okay, now again object is placed in front of the mirror, which is towards the left side from the pole, so we take U as negative here also. So U is always negative. Okay, whether it is concave mirror or concave convex mirror, for both the mirror U is always negative. Now if we talk about the focus, so anyone can tell me what is the focus, positive or negative, for concave mirror? Look, this is our pole, let's say this is focus and this is
Negative.
center of curvature. Yes, so here also focus lies towards the left side, yes or no? So here for concave mirror F is negative. Similarly for convex mirror F is lying towards the right side, which is towards positive x-axis. So F is positive here. Okay, so for convex mirror F is positive, and concave mirror F is negative. So is this clear to everyone, that for which mirror
Yes,
focus
sir.
is positive, focus is negative, U always negative? Any doubt?
No,
Anyone, any
sir.
doubt? Okay, so this is your first question. Solve this. An object is placed at a distance of 36 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. Find the image distance. Everyone, please solve this question. Find the image distance. Okay. So given is concave mirror. Okay. So let's say this is concave mirror. This is our principal axis. This is pole. Let's say this is focus and this is center of curvature. Okay. Anyone getting the answer? What is the image distance? Anyone? Yes, tell me. Anyone with the answer? Okay. Now given focal length is 12 centimeter. Focal length is 12 centimeter. Now for concave mirror, f is negative or positive? Okay. 1 by 18 centimeter. Okay, we'll see. 1 by 18 or 18? Raghavi. Okay. So for concave mirror, f is negative. Why? Because focus is lying towards the left side. Yes or no? So here f is negative. So we write f is equals to minus 12
For
centimeter.
18 centimeters, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, if we talk about the object, so object is placed at a distance of 36 centimeter. Okay, so let's say object is placed somewhere here. The distance from the mirror is 36 centimeter. Again, can we say that u is also negative? That is minus 36 centimeter. Yes or no? Everyone, please respond so that I can understand that you are understanding the
Yes, sir.
chapter, topic, or question. You don't have any doubts. You can simply thumbs up. That's it. Okay. Anyone? Any doubt? Okay. Now use the mirror formula that 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Now we are talking about image distance. So 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Now put the value. So 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. Now F is minus 12. So minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by U. 1 by U is minus 1 by 36. So this is equals to 1 by 36 minus 1 by 12. Now if we take the LCM, so 36, 1 minus 12 into 3 minus 3, this is equals to minus 2 by 36, which is equals to minus 1 by 18. So can we say that 1 by V is equals to minus 1 by 18? That means V is equals to minus 18 centimeter. Yes or no? V is
Yes, sir.
minus 18 centimeter. That means image form is in front of the mirror. Okay. So object will form somewhere here. Yes or no? Somewhere here. That is 18 centimeter. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
For
sir.
concave mirror, can you tell me where we should place the object such that the image comes out to be positive? Image distance come out to be positive
Between focus and
Between pole and focus of the mirror.
between pole and focus. That means if focal length is 12 centimeters, so if you place the object which is distance from the pole is less than 12 centimeter, then only V is positive. Otherwise, for all the cases, V is negative here. Okay, so take care of the science also. Clear? Anyone? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Okay. Next. At what distance from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter should an object be placed so that image is formed 20 centimeter behind the mirror? So directly we can cross check our answer. That answer should be less than 10 centimeter. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay. Solve this question. Anyone with the answer? Anyone? Jobin? Okay. So given we have a concave mirror, okay. Now this is our principal axis, this is our pole, this is focus, and let's say this is center of curvature. Now given focal length is 10 centimeter. Focal length is 10 centimeter. So that and we have to find where should we place the object so that image is formed 20 centimeter behind the mirror. So here image is formed which is 20 centimeter behind the mirror. Okay, here F is minus 10, yes or no? And V is plus 20. Anyone having doubt with the sign convention? Yes or no? Okay. Now, if image is at 20 centimeter, so we have to find where should we place the object. Okay. So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. So 1 by U is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by V. Okay. So 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Now that is minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20. So this is 20, 10 into 2 minus 1. So this is minus 3 by 20. Okay. So that means 1 by U is equals to minus 3 by 20. So can we write U is equals to minus 20 by 3, which is approximately minus 6.67 centimeter. Approximately minus 6.6 centimeter. That means object is in the front of the mirror at a distance of approximately 6.67 centimeter. We know that in case of concave mirror, if image is formed behind the mirror, that means our object placed between pole and focus. We can verify our answer also, yes or no. Now, if you place the object at 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter means you are placing the object at center of curvature. Now, if you are placing the object at center of curvature, so image will form at the center of curvature, yes or no? If object is at center of curvature, so image is also at the center of curvature. That's what we studied, yes or no, in the ray diagram. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So the answer is minus 6.67 centimeter, not 20 centimeter. Okay. Anyone, any doubt? Okay, very good. Now, next question. An object placed 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror is found to have an image 15 centimeter behind the mirror. Find the focal length of the mirror. Everyone, find focal length of the mirror. Anyone with the answer? Anyone with the answer? Okay. Now this time given convex mirror. Okay. So this is our convex mirror. Okay. This is our principal axis. This is pole. Let's say this is focus and this is center of curvature. Okay. Now object is placed 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. So our object is placed there, which is at a distance of 20 centimeter. Okay. Now image is formed 15 centimeter behind the mirror. So let's say image is formed somewhere here. Okay. Which is 15 centimeter. Okay. So here, if we take U, so U will be negative. Why? Because object is placed towards left side, that is towards negative x-axis. So U is minus 20 centimeter. And if we talk about V, so V is towards positive x-axis. Yes or no? Towards the right of the mirror. So can we say V is plus 15 centimeter? Anyone having doubt? Anyone? Okay. So now again use the mirror formula that 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Here we have to find the focal length. So we can say that 1 by f is equals to 1 by v, which is 1 by 15, plus 1 by u, that is minus 1 by 20, because u is minus 20 here. Anyone with the answer? Tell me, what is the focal length? Okay, so take LCM here. 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 4 is 60. So 15 into 4 minus 20 into 3, which is 1 by 60. Okay, so here focal length is 60 centimeter. So the answer is 60 centimeter. Very good, Raghavi. Okay, so focal length is 60 centimeter. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Okay, next question. An image is formed 5 centimeter behind the convex mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Okay, at what distance is the object placed from the mirror? Tell me. At what distance the object is placed from the mirror? What is the answer here? Rahul, what is the answer? Joven, anyone with the answer? Only Raghav is giving the answer. Why? Okay. So again given, we have a convex mirror. Okay. So this is your convex mirror. Now, let's say this is your focus. This is center of curvature. This is your pole. Now given image is formed 5 centimeter behind the convex mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. So focal length is 10 centimeter, and let's say image is formed here, which is at a distance of 5 centimeter, which is at a distance of 5 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find that at what distance is the object placed from the mirror. So again, we use the same formula, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. Okay, we have to find the object distance. So 1 by u is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by v. Now tell me, here f is positive or negative? Here f is positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Very good. That is plus
Positive,
10.
sir.
And what about v? What about v? V is positive or negative? Tell me. V is positive or negative? V is
Positive.
also positive.
Positive.
Okay, very good. So put the values. That is 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. That is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Okay, 10 centimeter. Okay, minus or plus? Positive or
Sir,
negative?
minus 10 centimeter.
Minus 10 centimeter. Okay, so LCM is 10. So 1 minus 5 into 2, that is minus 1 by 10. Please mute yourself. Okay, so u is minus 10 centimeter. That means object is placed in front of the mirror from at a distance of 10 centimeter from pole. Okay, is this clear? Now we know the formula that 1 by v is plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. Now if we take LCM here, so can we say that 1 by f is equals to u into v, u plus v. So can we say f is equals to uv upon u plus v? We can also directly remember this formula also. Okay, this is not necessary, but it will make your calculation fast. Okay, similarly, if we talk, let's say we are asking about v to find image distance. So again, 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay, so u into f LCM, here u minus f. So can we say v is equals to uf upon u minus f? Okay, so you can remember similarly u is equals to vf upon v minus f. So you can remember these formulas also to make your calculation fast. Otherwise, this is sufficient. Okay, clear? Yes or no? For example, in this question,
Sir,
yes. Okay, for example, in this question, we want to find that what is the object distance. Okay, now we want to find object distance. We know the formula for object distance u. U is equals to v into f upon v minus f. Now put the values. V is plus 5. Okay, f is 10. 5 into 10 upon v 5 minus 10. So this is 5 into 10 is 50. 50 upon minus 5. Yes or no? 5 minus 10 is minus 5. This is equals to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, so this makes the calculation fast. Okay, but this is not necessary to remember these formulas. You can use this formula also. Okay, clear? Yes or no?
yes, sir. Clear.
Very good. Now, next, solve the question. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of a focal length 15 centimeter. Now, find the position and nature of the image. So, make the ray diagram that where image will form, because you have to tell the nature also, that image is real or virtual, erect or inverted. Okay. So, everyone solve this. So, given convex mirror, done. Have you solved this problem? Yes or no? Let's say this is pole, this is focus, and this is center of curvature. Now, object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. Okay, let's say this is our object, which is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the pole. Okay, of focal length 15 centimeter. Focal length is 15 centimeter. So we have to find the position and nature of the image. That means we have to find the V. Now we use the formula that V is equals to UF upon U minus F. Yes or no? Now for this mirror, can we say that U here is negative minus 10 and F is positive, that is 50? Yes or no? Anyone having doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, so put the values. U is equals to minus 10, F is 15 upon U. U is minus 10, F is minus 15. So minus 10 into 15 upon minus 10
Sir,
minus
minus
15 is,
30.
yes, minus 30. Very good. Okay, so 5 into 3, 5 into 5, 5 into 2. Minus minus cancel. So 3 into 2 is 6 centimeter, not minus 30. So image is formed behind the mirror. Can we say, okay, tell me, image is real or virtual? Okay, everyone is getting 6 centimeter. You can use,
Sir,
everyone is getting 6 centimeter or 30 centimeter or any other answer. Tell me.
centimeter.
Okay, use formula that 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Okay, we have to find V. So can we say 1 by V is equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U? Okay, 1 by F is 1 by 15 minus of minus 1 by 10. Yes or no? So this is equals to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Now take the LCM, 5 into 3, 15, 15 into 2 is 30. So 15 into 2 plus 10 into 3, this is 5 by 30, which is 1 by 6. So 1 by V is equals to 1 by 6. Can we say V is equals to 6 centimeter? Okay,
Yes,
is
sir.
this same? Raghavi, please check your calculation. Okay, tell me one thing, that in case of a convex mirror, image form is real or virtual? Or tell me,
Virtual and direct.
Virtual, sir.
Virtual.
virtual. That means image is forming behind the mirror. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
if
sir.
image is forming behind the mirror, so our answer will be positive or negative. Forget about the magnitude. It
Positive.
is 6, 30, 50, anything. It is positive or negative. Positive. It can't be negative now. So you can cross check your answer after calculation. Okay. Like in this, you can also cross check that here we have to find the where should be object placed. Okay. So that means object is placed. Object is placed between 0 to 10. Yes or no? Similarly, in this case, we have to find the focal length. Okay. Now, in this case, someone is saying that answer is 20. Answer is 20 means object is placed at center of curvature. Yes or no? And if object is center of curvature, then image also formed at center of curvature. But here given that object is placed, image is forming at 20 centimeter, which is not. Are you getting my point or not? Yes or no? So you can
Yes,
cross
sir.
check your
Yes,
answers.
sir.
Okay. Anyone having doubt in calculation? Anyone having
No
doubt in
doubts.
calculation? Okay. Now tell me the nature of the image.
Virtual
Everyone
and
please
direct,
tell.
sir.
Virtual and erect. Okay. So can we say that image is forming behind the mirror? That means image is virtual. Okay. Clear? Any doubt?
No doubts, sir.
Okay. Next question. An arrow is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from a diverging mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Find the image distance. Okay, here in this, you can also make a ray diagram. Okay, so if ray is parallel to the principal axis, and let's say this is normal to the mirror. Okay, for in case of spherical mirrors, normal to the mirror is always passing through the center of curvature. Okay, in case of spherical mirrors, whether it is concave or convex, normal is always passing through the center of curvature. So this is normal. Okay. Now, if ray is parallel to the principal axis, so after reflection, it will appear to pass through focus. Yes or no? Yes or no? And if
Yes, sir.
second ray is passing through center of curvature, so it will retrace path. So image will form somewhere here. Yes or no? So it is virtual and erect. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Later on, we will talk about magnification. Okay. Okay. Solve this question. Everyone, please solve this question. So what is the image distance? Okay, which mirror is diverging, concave or convex? Which mirror is
Convex, sir.
convex? Okay, so let's say this is our convex mirror. Okay. Now this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Now given an arrow is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. Okay, so let's say arrow is placed there at a distance of 25 centimeter from the mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. Of focal length 20 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the image distance. That means we have to find the V. Now we know V is equals to UF upon U minus F. Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt with the formula? Anyone having doubt with the formula?
No, sir.
Okay. Now for this, tell me U is negative or positive? Negative. Similarly,
Negative.
F is negative or positive? F is positive. Okay, so put the values minus 25 into 20 upon U is negative, that is minus 25. F is positive, that is minus 20. So minus 25 into 20 upon minus 25 minus 20 is minus 45. Okay, so 5 into 5, 5 into 9. So answer is minus minus also get cancels out. So 25, 20 into 5 is 100 upon 9, which is approximately 11.11 centimeter. Yes or no? That means image will form at a distance of 11.11 centimeter behind the mirror because answer is positive. Yes, 100 by 9. Very good. Is this clear? Do I need to solve from this formula also, or you can do by yourself from this formula? Do I need to use this formula? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Next, solve this question. That at what distance from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeters should an object be placed so that image is formed 20 centimeter behind the mirror? Now you can actually solve this question also. What is asking in the question? That at what distance from a concave mirror of focal length an object be placed? That means we have to find the value of U. We know that U is equals to V into F upon V minus F. Yes or no? And for concave mirror, F is positive or negative? Tell me. For concave mirror, F is
F is
positive or
negative.
F is negative. Clear? So minus 10 centimeter. Okay. Now image is formed 20 centimeter behind the mirror. So V is positive or negative? Here V is positive or negative? Tell me.
Positive.
V is
Positive.
positive. Very good. That is plus 20 centimeter. So put the values. V is 20. F is minus 10 upon V 20. F is minus 10. So minus 10 into 20 upon 20 minus of minus 10 becomes plus 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Okay. So cancel by 10. So minus 10 into 2 is 20 minus 20 upon 3. Okay. Very good. Minus 20 by 3 centimeter. That means object is placed in front of a mirror at a distance of approximately 6.67 centimeter. Okay, is this clear? Anyone having doubt? Okay,
No, sir.
very good. One more thing, from today onwards, we are starting your practice session from 6 to 7. Okay, so please join that session for practice. Okay, from 6 to 7. Okay, from
Okay,
today we
sir.
are
Sir,
starting
we should
practice
also
session.
join the evening session also, sir. We should also join the evening session.
Yes, for practice. Okay, that is from 6 to 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay, timing is from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, for practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now in the next class, we will discuss about problem based on magnification. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed today's class. Yes or no? We solve various problems that on the sign convention. Yes or no? Mirror formula. Yes or no? That is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Okay. Clear? And we saw modified form that we
Yes, sir.
solve this. So we get V is equals to UF upon U minus F, or U is equals to VF upon V minus F. Yes or no? Okay. So in the
Yes,
next
sir.
class, we will do the questions based on the magnification. Based on the magnification. Okay. So also we are doing refraction of light, refraction through rectangular glass slab, about refractive index. Okay. So thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.